Hello guys, here from Ho Chi Minh City in District 1. Today I'm going to be trying out a famous dish. Hello, thank you. Okay, so here is the bun cha noi. Run. We got a couple different options. What's the difference? Bun cha. These two different.
Yeah, it's just grilled pork.
Grilled pork.
This one, it's basically this one plus one spring roll.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just spring rolls.
Okay, so this is just one spring roll. Is it normal?
Basically, it's a combination of these two.
Okay. Okay. Do you normally eat it with spring roll, or just
If we're referring to the classic one here, then yeah.
this?
It
Okay.
doesn't contain the spring roll.
Okay. Okay.
But if you want to try a spring roll, then just go for this one.
Gotcha. Okay. And this is, I guess, the famous dish, right? From
Yes, correct.
Hanoi. Okay. I wanted to try it. Okay, let's do it without the spring roll. I'm not sure if I'm that hungry, but I definitely want to try it. So. Okay, so we're trying the bun cha Hanoi. That's exciting. Okay, so I will read the description because I'm not sure. I can't memorize it, but this is what it is, and I will read it. Bun cha, traditional Hanoi dish made of grilled pork patties, rice noodles, herbs, and dipping sauce. Pork is marinated in a sweet and savory sauce before being grilled over charcoal, giving it a smoky flavor. So let's try it out and see this bun cha Hanoi. We got some cilantro, some chili with garlic.
Careful to hide.
Thank you, appreciate it. Here it is. That's interesting. And then you got the rice noodles here. So this looks like the beef patties. Looks like bacon. Obviously got the rice noodles. Beef patties. Bacon. And just augmenting for my YouTube channel.
We just noticed. I'll try to be quiet.
No worries, man. Just want to dip that garlic into soup, spice. Oh yeah. Rice noodles. It's like a sweet and spicy mix. You got the garlic, the chili, and you got carrots. Let's try a beef patty. Oh, no. Yeah, it's like a spicy herb flavor. These are carrots, I think. Yeah. These beef patties are really good. Full of flavor. I'm sorry, pork patties. Charcoal grilled. Must try. I just got done eating that meal. That soup was so delicious. Definitely must try here in Saigon. And shout out to the two gentlemen next to me. They were very nice. One of them actually paid for my meal. So shout out to you. Unfortunately, I did not get their names, but please leave a comment. Please leave your name in the comments if you are watching this. Shout out to you guys. You guys are awesome. Right now, we're just walking down this street, and I'm not too sure the name of the street, but maybe we can find some kind of dessert or a snack, or maybe some kind of fruit juice, because it's hot here in Ho Chi Minh City, also known as Saigon, Vietnam. Let's see. Looks like we got some kind of okay, so that's a laundry place, but what is that? That's so interesting. I'm not too sure what that is. Is that some kind of drink? I'm not too sure this is a walking street. Looks like the sidewalk's just being taken up by motorcycles. But hey, let's just keep exploring and see what we find. Okay, it looks like we got some kind of mart. The Bach Hoa Zan Mart. Some kind of food mart. We got some sugarcane juice here. Yeah, why not? Let's give it a try. I've tried it in Thailand. How much? I'm not sure what the difference is. Just sugarcane juice? Normal? What's this? Lemon? I don't know what this is, guys. But hey, let's just try it. Yeah. This one?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. I don't know. I don't read Vietnamese, obviously. But hey, it's a surprise. Let's see what this is. Okay? Okay, yeah. Thank you. Very interesting. He told me to sit down. Yes.
Đại xíu nè.
Thank you. Yeah.
This
is sweet. Sweet. Good. I think that's flan. So good.
Rồi quay kìa, ơi lên xiên của bà kìa.
Wow.
Cái này bỏ này vô. Very enjoy.
Very good.
Ngon
Delicious.
tuyệt vời. Ngon tuyệt vời. Ông quay, ông đem về bển, ông quảng cáo hết cả nước.
Người ta đang trực tiếp luôn đó.
Vậy đó hả?
Cái người cầm này là người ta livestream giống như kiểu người ta làm trên TikTok đó.
Rồi,
Sướng
rồi.
vậy đó.
Sướng luôn. Bác chồng.
Nổi tiếng luôn rồi đó. Nhiều.
Bác chồng còn luôn. Nhiều
Nó
quá.
chụp cái chợ 4.000.
I don't know what that is, but that looks so good.
Chụp hình chưa?
Tính về nhà nói là chưa đến rồi.
Quay, chụp hình chưa? Đây. Hình chưa chụp cho bà đang bôi nè. Vậy phải không? Đưa lên.
Tô ấy lên.
Không tụi ấy.
Yeah, so good.
Ông kêu gì đây? Quý à?
Total 80,000 đồng.
Đó,
Tô,
lên
tô.
lên.
Huh?
Total.
Total?
Yeah.
3,000?
80,000.
80,000.
Yes.
Ah, okay. What's the name? Name?
Lan. Lan.
Flan. Okay,
Yeah.
Flan. Okay.
Mai mốt mình nổi tiếng rồi đó nha.
Can I try one? I try one flan. Okay. I want to try one of those. Wow, so good. So good. Oh yeah, this is amazing. Oh, such nice ladies. Yeah, it was hard for them to understand me. I'll have to try a flan another time. But this is like a sugarcane juice with, I don't know. It's like some kind of mixture. Yeah, this is amazing. Alright guys, well that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Just a short one, just wanted to try out some delicious I just wanted to try out some delicious Vietnamese food, and I think I accomplished that for today. And make sure you try this. I don't know what this is, but I will find out and I'll put it in the description, or I'll leave it in the video. But alright guys, I will talk to you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, and see you in the next one.